G'day everyone, Weaponized Monkey here, and today we're back with more Ravenfield. This is the 4th video I've recorded in a row. Anyways, I got off topic there. Sorry. Are you a soldier with a lot of patience? If so, then this gun is for you. You will shoot, and then reload, and reload. This has a very long reload time. It is perfect for anyone with a lot of patience and preferably some place to hide while you're being shot at. Anyways, now that we have reloaded, it is an absolutely deadly weapon and will kill almost instantly. Then you must stand still, slowly walking at the enemy while reloading. You shan't ever get killed. Son of a bitch. That musket really didn't cover it up. I mean, it's meant to keep me safe. That's why I have added some improvements. This is the people who prefer their modern weapons, but still have a lot of patience. And have the time to do things like this. Oh goodness, he saved my life. Boom. See that? I got a kill. Wait, hang on, have I reloaded? I've reloaded. Boom. Another kill. This is for people who aren't as patient as those who can bother using a musket. Now, we must just stand still. We'll be fine. We got killed by a man with a bow and arrow. That's unacceptable. If anyone gets bow and arrowed, it's my own team, I guess. Oh! Wait. Oh, you have to aim before you use. Okay, I'm learning how bow and arrow works. Embarrassing. Watch range. I read Ranger's Apprentice. It'd be really cool if the arrows would stick out. These is for people who still like the good old days, but... Did I just get killed by a musket? This is for people who like the good old days, like their patience, but don't have enough patience to use something like a musket. Whoever those people are, shame on you. You are disgracing an honorable weapon. But if you really insist on not wanting to use a musket, then use one of our fine bows. We have the recurve bow, which I have right here, as well as a standard bow, which has been demonstrated earlier. You know, the time where I died. Not the time before that, like the time last time, you know. Come on, I don't die that often. Boom. Just got a kill. You said I would never get a kill with something as silly as a bow. You know what? They're right. I need to start using guns. Like a big boy. Oh. My goodness, it has a bit of a kick to it. Well, I guess I have this as well. Okay then. I mean, that's broken. Ow. Well, as I just demonstrated for you, the Winchester something or other and the sawed-off shotgun. It appears to be that we have floating bullets that can, you know, twist in and out of the gun. Call the Ghostbusters. I don't think my arm is meant to do that. I really don't think that arms are meant to do such a thing. Ooh, Hollywood. this is so modern. Oh, so modern. I need to recommend this to one of my mates, the ARC-Trooper. Oh, so modern. It's very easy to miss though, so it's not a great weapon, I guess. I mean, I think a musket would be better than this. Or maybe I'm just not using it right. Shrapnel shots? Oh, okay, never mind. So whoever's throwing down those... No ammunition? Oh, okay. I take back everything I've said about that. Except for the fact that those guys are really annoying. Maybe something a little more like Special Forces would use? I don't know, the Death Troopers or whatever they're called. Ooh, that's a very nice sight. That poor guy's nutsack. He'll never have babies again. Oh goodness, what happened to that guy? Oh, it's chaos. I hope I'm not being too loud. Tactical. This is tactics at its special weapons and tactics at its absolute finest. Look at this. Special weapons and tactics at its absolute finest, tearing its way through the enemy formation before getting shot to pieces. I mean, after that, I don't know if I'll ever readjust if old weapons will ever be the same. I mean, now whenever I try to use an old weapon, I just get killed. Not much has changed, to be honest. Maybe, just maybe I can actually shoot. I can shoot. Can I shoot straight? Those guys can shoot straighter, apparently. And off the musket men go to charge. Remind me to stab them later. I fire! Okay. Ow. I'm the fastest drawer in the West, boy. You don't stand gold-darn chance. Oh, I missed. You know what? I have enough bullets. No, I don't. You know what? Let's go for something a little more olden days. Because I fear I'll never readjust. All these brand spanking new weapons are expensive, you know. But then again, so are soldiers. Ready? I got headshotted with a musket? What the hell? You know what, let's try that again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Let's try that again. Stop throwing smokes everywhere, Billy. Smoking is bad for you. Set up an LMG in this certain position. This gun appears to be doing absolutely no damage. Why does it remind me of a Lewis gun? Don't answer that. It looks like a lot like a Lewis gun. Why do Lewis guns seem more effective? Why are we about to take this? This gun might be a lot more effective than I gave it credit for. Oh, goodness. Now I just need the detective special. As I snoop my way out. They're a person with a musket. How do these guys always manage to kill me? I thought that the musket was the insignificant unsuperior weapon. Inferior weapon. Not unsuperior. Did I just throw every single one of my bullets out and then individually reload them? I'm having second thoughts about the detective's special. Nearly over. Yeah. To battle. I'm bloody tired of these people killing me. Why do they have the superior weapons all the time? You know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna... grenade. There. Boom. I got a kill. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed.